I'm Michael Sabo, Senior Market Strategist with RJO Futures here in Chicago. Bringing some commentary here in the energy market. So let's get started. December oil is a bit weaker here this morning, which has been the overall tone here the last couple of weeks. Currently trading down around 43.11 a barrel. It's off about 87 cents. And you take a look at where oil prices have been here for the month of October. October 9th, we were pushing above $50 a barrel. We were around 51.42 a barrel on the high. Today, we hit a low down at 42.58. So we've really seen oil prices sliding lower. We've seen the 10-day crossing over the 50-day moving average. Overall, quite a bit of a weaker tone. Last couple of weeks, we've seen a lot of lower lows and lower highs, which have been indicative of a bear market. And, the overall theme has been, there hasn't been any real exciting bullish news. The supply side, mostly what we've seen there is inventories have been building. Over in Europe, we've seen inventories there for both diesel and gas. Those have been building. So really, we're just seeing an overall sluggish demand side. And then again, we look at those EIA reports that come out. We've been seeing small builds in the stockpiles. Tomorrow we have one coming out. Anticipation, traders are looking to see another build of about 3.2 million barrels. So we'll watch that and kind of see how that shapes up. One thing that I'll say, though, is that you take a look at where these oil prices are relative to where they were last time they dipped. And my thoughts are that we might be nearing potential short-term bottom. Short-term technicals are very oversold, in my opinion. So I think, one should certainly be looking at that. Now, we've recently seen the dollar strengthen here quite a bit, and that's helped kind of put pressure on a lot of commodities, oil included. But I think you could start to see the dollar start to pull back a little bit. If you start to see the dollar roll over a little bit, that might be viewed as a little bit of supportive to the oil market also. Now, again, when I talk about here taking a look at those technicals and watching, I'm not suggesting to buy in this area, but I think that traders should be paying very close attention. We come down near the lows that we saw in the December contract. If the market starts to lose its downside momentum, there could be some ideas there. Call me for some further details. One thing that I do want to call your attention to that I think is certainly important as energy traders here, take a look at natural gas. Natural gas prices today actually trading below the $2 mark. You got to ask yourself how low that market is going to go. Certainly prices have been falling quite a bit, crossing down below $2. For those of you that are looking for value, again, it could be a market that I think you should pay very close attention to. It starts to lose its downside momentum. There could be some real opportunities there. Give me a call, shoot me an email for more detail. May not be suitable for all investors.